In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Shopify store by installing the Shopify Sales Pop-Up and Proof app. This process is straightforward and can significantly boost the credibility of your store by showcasing social proof, an essential tool to nudge potential customers towards making confident purchasing decisions. So let's dive right in. First, we need to start by heading over to the Shopify platform. To do this, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Shopify's homepage. Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create their own online stores, and having the right apps installed can really take your store to the next level. Once you're on the Shopify site, your next task is to visit the Shopify App Store. The App Store is a fantastic resource filled with various applications that can extend the functionality of your Shopify store in numerous ways. Now, what you'll want to do is find the search bar, it's typically right there at the top of the screen, and type in Shopify Sales Pop-Up and Proof. This particular app is a great tool for creating a sense of urgency and providing social proof to potential buyers, showing them that numerous people are already interested in or have purchased your products. Go ahead and click Search. After you've searched for Shopify Sales Pop-Up and Proof, you should see it pop up in the search results. Click on the app to access its page, where you'll get to see detailed information about what it offers. At this stage, you'll want to take a moment to read through the app's features, reviews, and any other available information. This will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the benefits it can bring to your store operations and customer engagement. Once you're ready and satisfied that this app is what you need, simply click the Install button. Follow the prompts that appear to authorize the installation. If prompted, continue to log into your Shopify account to complete the process. Make sure you allow any permissions the app requests. These are necessary for it to function correctly in your store environment. And that's it. With Shopify Sales Pop-Up and Proof now installed, you're all set to start enhancing your store's credibility. This app will automatically start working by showing sales notifications to your visitors, helping to build trust and encouraging them to make purchases. Remember to monitor its performance and ensure it's aligning with your store's presentation and marketing goals. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you drive more sales through effective use of social proof. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy selling!